Hi guys, today we are gonna make four. First take a square paper and then fold it like this. And open it and do it on the same again on other side, and take it like this and do it like this. Take it like this and again do it like this. Open it again and do it and take like each side as a four and each square as a four side. Fold it like this and do the same thing on all the sides. Turn it back, do the same thing. And fold it like this. It will be hard to do like this. Then and the 4 cup is done, and this is done by Electronics and Crafts. Please like, subscribe, share and comment. Bye guys.